Hello guys, hope you are enjoying very good health. Next paper for CSS examination is Islamic Studies. This paper is also part of Provincial Management Services known as PMS. So you should focus on Islamic Studies because this is very tricky paper and many aspirants fail in this examination. You should have to support your thesis statements and your questions with the Quranic verses and hadith. This paper includes first part is introduction to Islam, like what is deen and the difference between the deen and religion and distinctive aspects of Islam. Next part includes study of Sirah, and it is obvious that one question will come from this part, Prophet, peace be upon him, as a role model for diplomat, as an educator, as a military strategist, and as a peacemaker. Next part is human rights and status of women in Islam. One question will also come from this part, and the very next part is Islamic civilization and culture. It will discuss about the Tawheed, spiritualism, dignity of man, equality, social justice. It will also include Islam and the world, and more importantly, it will also discuss public administration and governance in Islam, and lastly, the Islamic code of life. You can attempt this paper both in English and Urdu. The suggested books are Introduction to Islam by Dr. Hamidullah and Islam, Its Meaning and Message by Khurshid Ahmad. These are very important books. Apart from that, you can study Islamic Studies by Karim Das Chugtai. These books will definitely help you to ace the examination. You can also study the suggested book by FPSC. And thank you so much. I forget to mention, if you are non-Muslim, you can opt from a comparative study of major religions. This will also help you to study the comparison of different religions. Thank you so much.